Hello guys, this is your friend CryptoSats. Hope you all are doing well. So I'm bringing one of my hidden gem which I found, and I've been watching this for a long time, so I wanted to share a thought on this and where we can have a possible entries if you're looking for an entry right now. So this is the coin of Poly BTC against BTC on a weekly time frame. As you can see, the chart itself is showing it's about to blast and it's very bullish. So, and we have I'll tell you the key zones. We have a supply zone over here on the weekly time frame which will act as a resistance, and we have currently rejected from this consolidation zone where you can see, which is acted as a supply zone in a short term. So we just pull back, and we have cleared this supply zone as well, and we have turned into support. So right now we want to see a retest of this one so that we can fill our bags. So I'll give you 3 entries for this coin. And one more thing, yeah, we are above the most volume traded, that is called as POC, point of control. We are above that. That means the bulls are in the control, so we have to be with the bulls to boost them. So right now we are on the 3-day time frame to break down the market and see where we could get a possible entries. So you can see we have a supply zone over here. That's where we rejected, and from that rejection we just created an order block over here, which is a bullish order block, which will give a support, which also confluences with this order block and this supply zone, which will act as a strong demand zone right now. So people would have been just put up their limit buy entries, and they are waiting for this coin to trigger so that they can sell at higher prices. This demand zone has also confluence with the 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci ratio, which is very good confluence for an entry setup. And let's look at 50 SMA. 50 SMA, by the time the price reaches, the candle reaches here, it should pop up to the golden zone, which also gives another extra confluence for you to trade, to take a position, which shows the confirmation. So I'll share you the possible 3 entries which I have placed my limit buys on this one. So I have bought some coins at this zone. I have bought somewhere, not exactly, but in this zone I have bought some coins. So I'll again fill my bags over here. So I just want to share you my entries which I'm looking, and for the reasons for what I'm looking for that entries. So these are my 3 entries as of now. Sorry, not as of now. These are my 3 entries. So we have an order block over here, so that will act as a support, that is where we will fill our first entry. My second entry is over here above this resistance, which will act as a support now, and my third entry is over here, so that we can just spread your limit buys into these 3 entries and wait for it to trigger. And my invalidation is, if a 3-day candle closes below this stop loss, that is 467, I will exit my position. Until then I'm gonna hold. We can see something like a slow grind to the downside, and we consolidate somewhere, and we just finally break above, and we might just go to this supply zone on the weekly time frame, which we have discussed earlier. So this is my target below this order block, where you can see it. I'm placing my targets over there, and considering all these 3 entries to be filled, the risk reward we are getting is 7.37, where we are losing only 30% against we are gaining 218%. So this is the best possible entry for those who are seeking entry on Poly BTC, and myself, I'm placing these orders. So let's meet you at 2100 satoshis. So if you like the video, consider giving a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming coins like this. Thank you, have a nice day.